Blizwheel E-Scooter. The Blizwheel E-Scooter is a game-changer for urban commuters. Compact, lightweight, and incredibly portable, it's designed to simplify your daily travels. Unlike traditional bulky e-scooters, the Blizwheel folds down to a size small enough to fit in a backpack, making it perfect for carrying on public transport or storing under a desk. Despite its slim design, the Blizwheel doesn't compromise on performance. It offers a smooth ride with a reliable battery life, capable of covering several miles on a single charge. Ideal for short commutes or quick errands, it's an eco-friendly alternative to cars and rideshares. With its innovative design and practicality, the Blizwheel e-scooter is a modern solution for on-the-go lifestyles. Pumper Car Luxe. The Pumper Car Luxe is a game-changer in the world of luxury mobility. Designed for both style and performance, this innovative vehicle combines elegance with functionality. Its sleek design turns heads, while its state-of-the-art technology ensures a smooth and comfortable ride. The Luxe Edition boasts premium interiors crafted from high-quality materials, offering unmatched comfort for drivers and passengers alike. What truly sets the Pumper Car Luxe apart is its eco-conscious engineering, featuring a hybrid powertrain for an impressive balance of power and efficiency. With advanced safety features and smart connectivity options, it's perfect for modern lifestyles. The Pumper Car Luxe isn't just a car, it's a statement of sophistication and innovation, redefining luxury on the road. Yingang Citycoco. The Yingang Citycoco stands out as an innovative, eco-friendly electric scooter tailored for modern urban living. Its bold design, paired with wide, stable tires, makes it a joy to ride on city streets or quieter paths. Powered by a reliable electric motor, it delivers a smooth, noise-free experience while minimizing your carbon footprint. The scooter's durable frame and ergonomic seat offer both stability and comfort, ensuring long-lasting performance. With an efficient battery system, the Citycoco provides excellent range on a single charge, making it perfect for commutes or casual rides. Safety is prioritized with responsive brakes and bright LED lights. The Yingang Citycoco combines style, performance, and sustainability for the ultimate green transport solution. Skick Electric Utility. The Skick Electric Utility Scooter redefines convenience and eco-friendly commuting. Designed for modern urban life, this sleek scooter combines style, practicality, and sustainability. Its lightweight yet durable frame ensures easy maneuverability, while the powerful electric motor provides smooth acceleration and impressive range on a single charge. With its foldable design, the Skick scooter is perfect for busy professionals or students, fitting neatly into tight spaces. Equipped with advanced safety features like anti-lock brakes and bright LED lights, it offers peace of mind during rides. The scooter's user-friendly controls and fast-charging battery make it a hassle-free choice for everyday travel. Choose the Skick utility scooter for an efficient, green, and stylish way to get around town. Cyrusher Thunder. The Cyrusher Thunder is an impressive electric bike designed for adventure enthusiasts and commuters alike. Its bold design, coupled with robust performance, makes it a standout in the e-bike market. Powered by a high-capacity motor and a long-lasting battery, the Thunder is built for tackling challenging terrains, from steep hills to off-road trails, with ease. It features fat tires for stability and a comfortable ride, even on uneven surfaces. The bike's durable frame supports heavy loads, while its advanced suspension system ensures a smooth journey. With features like pedal assist and multiple speed settings, the Cyrusher Thunder is perfect for riders seeking a balance of power, style, and versatility in their e-bike experience. SKWHEEL 1. The SKWHEEL 1 is a game-changer for personal transportation, blending sleek design with innovative functionality. This self-balancing electric unicycle is compact yet powerful, perfect for urban commuting or casual rides. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry, while the advanced gyroscopic technology ensures smooth, stable control for riders of all experience levels. The SKWHEEL 1 boasts an impressive range on a single charge, making it a reliable choice for short to medium trips. Its responsive acceleration and braking provide a fun, dynamic riding experience. With eco-friendly electric power and a futuristic design, the SKWHEEL 1 isn't just transportation, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ride smarter, go farther, and turn heads with this stylish, innovative gadget. GoBoat 2.0. The GoBoat 2.0 is making waves in the world of personal watercraft. Compact, lightweight, and portable, This upgraded inflatable boat is designed for ultimate convenience and fun. Its unique design allows you to easily transport it in your car and set it up in minutes, whether you're planning a calm day of fishing or simply exploring serene waters. Built with durable materials, GoBoat 2.0 offers improved stability and safety, making it perfect for adventurers of all experience levels. It's compatible with trolling motors for effortless cruising and is ideal for small lakes or slow rivers. Whether you're a solo traveler or out with friends, GoBoat 2.0 transforms every water trip into an unforgettable adventure. GoSun Elcat. The GoSun Elcat is a compact electric vehicle designed with sustainability and efficiency in mind. Built by GoSun, a company known for its solar-powered innovations, the Elcat is perfect for eco-conscious drivers who prioritize reducing their carbon footprint. With a range of up to 160 kilometers on a single charge and a top speed of 40 miles per hour, it's ideal for urban commuting or short trips. What sets the Elcat apart is its lightweight design and compatibility with solar charging, making it a truly green alternative to traditional vehicles. Its minimalist build focuses on practicality, comfort, and affordability, offering a smart choice for those seeking a sustainable lifestyle without compromising convenience or style. Caterham 170R. The Caterham 170R is a pure driving machine that blends simplicity with thrilling performance. As one of the lightest cars on the market, it tips the scales at just 490 kilograms, delivering an unmatched power-to-weight ratio. Powered by a turbocharged 660 cubic centimeters Suzuki engine, it may not sound like much on paper, but it offers a zippy 84 horsepower that feels electric on the road. The 170R's stripped-down nature, featuring no doors, a minimalist interior, and lightweight sport seats, ensures an authentic, raw driving experience. Perfect for track enthusiasts, it handles like a dream, with precision steering and razor-sharp agility. If you love the essence of driving, the Caterham 170R is pure joy on four wheels. Triton 660 AVA. The Triton 660 AVA is a versatile all-in-one amplifier designed for audiophiles seeking premium sound quality. With its advanced digital and analog components, it delivers powerful and clear audio across a wide range of frequencies. The 660 AVA stands out for its user-friendly interface, making it easy to adjust settings and enjoy a customized listening experience. Equipped with high-quality capacitors and a robust build, the amplifier ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Whether you're enjoying music, gaming, or watching movies, the Triton 660 AVA elevates your audio experience, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about sound. Its sleek design blends seamlessly into any setup, offering both form and function. Squad Mobility. Squad Mobility is redefining the way we think about urban transportation. Combining cutting-edge technology with eco-conscious solutions, this innovative company offers electric scooters, bikes, and other personal mobility devices designed for city life. Their goal is to make commuting more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable. By providing a greener alternative to traditional vehicles, Squad Mobility helps reduce traffic congestion and carbon emissions. With an easy-to-use app, users can easily locate, rent, and ride the vehicles, all while contributing to a cleaner, healthier environment. Whether you're heading to work or simply exploring the city, Squad Mobility is transforming how we move, making everyday travel both smarter and more eco-friendly. NAXEON IAM. NAXEON IAM is a comprehensive solution designed to help organizations manage and secure user identities across digital platforms. With the rise of cyber threats, NAXEON IAM offers robust authentication mechanisms, enabling businesses to control who can access sensitive data and systems. By simplifying the management of user credentials and permissions, it enhances both security and operational efficiency. The system's adaptive capabilities allow it to scale with the needs of any organization, ensuring that access control policies evolve as the business grows. NAXEON IAM provides organizations with the tools to minimize risks, improve compliance, and protect against unauthorized access in an increasingly connected world.